The Nike SB Dunk Low Krampus is back to shake up the holiday 2025 sneaker scene, delivering a dark, festive, and highly collectible release for sneakerheads. Blending spooky folklore with modern SB style, this drop features a dark smoke gray and campfire orange palette, highlighted by its cracked and distressed overlays for a sinister seasonal vibe. A black leather base keeps things bold, while jagged orange crackle effects create that eerie Krampus energy fans love. The theme continues with the cracked midsole, bright orange Nike SB tongue branding, and a hidden not surprised label stitched beneath the tongue for an added storytelling touch. Inside, a custom holiday-inspired insole completes the lore and elevates its collector appeal. Slated for release on November 29, 2025, this pair is built to stand out as one of the most talked about holiday sneaker drops of the year. Perfect for sneaker reviews, early looks, and holiday pickup guides.